Hello, welcome to my educational game designed to teach about flags. There's two sections in the beginning of the game. They are all divided by continents, and the first section has three game modes. One is time trial, which gives the player 30 seconds to guess all the right flags. The survival game mode is where the player has 3 lives until he finishes the game. Short game mode has the player has 15 times to guess the right flag. In the second section, those are the continents, and though you can assign the flags to the right country. For the purposes of making this video short, I'm just going to demonstrate one of the game modes and one of the continent modes. After the 30 seconds are up, the results will be up on the screen. I got 15 right and 0 wrong. Here is the world map of Europe, and down there you can see the flag and the name it corresponds to which country. Now the countries themselves, the borders, they don't have the name, so switching between flags can be done either through the scroll wheel or the left or the right mouse button. Arrow keys, sorry. After you've completed the map, you can click on the finish button. That will display all of the like which countries have you've guessed wrong or right. So I've got the majority right, and a couple of Central Europe which I've guessed wrong. You can always go to correct answers. That will display which countries you've guessed. It will assign all of the right facts to the right countries, so you'll figure it out. So thank you for watching.